Hey there, internets. Code Warrior Malo here. Going to show you a little something that I made, just because I like these games, these idle games. But constantly clicking can be kind of tedious and detrimental to your mouse. So I built this little thing called the Idle Game Clicker, and it will work for pretty much any idle game that you want to play. So in this case, I'm on Kongregate right now, and I'm playing this little idle game here called Realm Grinder. And what you have to do is you have to click on this chest right here in order to increase your monies, and then of course you can upgrade your stuff, right? So what you do with this is you click on the idle game clicker, you position your mouse where you want it to be, you press F8, and then it stores the coordinates of your mouse in here. And then once you're ready to click, you just start clicking, and it will move your mouse to the location and click it about as fast as, maybe a little bit faster than you would click if you were drumming your left mouse button with two fingers. Now, this game is slowing down, I guess, because of all the stuff that it's doing. But once you move your mouse a little bit away from the location that you've set for clicking, it stops clicking. So you can do all the other things you need to do in your game, and it's not double clicking all kinds of stuff. And so let's show how this works for other games. Let me move my Bandicam recording bar over here. So that's a search for idle games. I did a little search here. So here's like Cookie Clicker. Okay? So if I click on Idle Game Clicker, and I go to the cookie, and I hit F8, it now changes these coordinates to where I need to be, and now I click it. Whoops, looks like the game isn't loading. Oh, I guess that wasn't the actual game. That was just a picture of it. Okay, let's try again. So you gotta cook this clicky. Click this, cook. You gotta cook this clicky. You gotta click this cookie. And you can see it's like, moving as I do it. So I'm on Idle Game Clicker, right? I can position it anywhere. Put it right here. I'll move over here. I'll hit F8. And then if I hit start clicking, there we go. It's clicking those cookies. So it actually works, right? So let's try another one. I was talking to my coffee cup there. Let's try another one. So I move my mouse, it stops clicking. I'm just going to kill this because I don't care. So that was like the launch page. I got to remember that. So this, I think, is actually the game. So click on this new game. I've never played this game before. It's got some weird sounds. But I can skip this, I guess. And I assume that I click on the Jeep. Yeah. So let's do that. So click on my idle game clicker, hit the F8 key on the keyboard, go back, and there we go. I'm going to click that Jeep. I don't know how to play this game, but I assume that it's the same as all idle games. So let's kill this one. So this is Tangerine Tycoon. Again, click on the idle game clicker, position over the orange, or the tangerine, I guess. Hit F8, and then go ahead and start the clicking. There we go. I've already got 30 tangerines. And then if I move the mouse, of course, I can go buy this. However you buy this. There we go. Tangerine bush. And buy a bunch of those. I can go start clicking again. And it'll just start clicking again. Alright, let's try another one here. Oops. Close that. Oh, this is the one where you click these little animals, and then you get new animals, and you move forward, and it's kind of a fun. This is actually a very well-made idle game. It looks really good. I think they've put a lot of thought in all the different little, almost like Pokemon type animals. So let's go to the idle game clicker. It's down here. Oh, you're right. It always stays at the top. I made it do that. I'm smart. So hit F8. Start beating that guy up. And that's it, man. It's the idle game clicker. So you can actually set this to run, and because it's clicking the mouse, your screensaver won't come on. Your computer won't go to sleep. It will continue to click this. You could leave it going all night, and even multiple days. Go to school, come home, upgrade what you need to upgrade, start the clicking, and walk away. You could be playing an idle game without even being there, watching all the crap. So if you want to get this, I have it available on my website, CodeWarriorMalo.com. If you don't know, that's where you go. If you go to the main CodeWarriorMalo.com spot, it's under Programming, All Programming Projects. Click on that, and at the very bottom says Idle Game Clicker. And it's just a zip file. It's called sendtheclicks.zip. It's right there, and it'll come down, unpack it, and then once you run it, it'll look like this, and it'll stay up on top of all your screens. And then you go to the game that you're playing, click on the idle game clicker so the outline is highlighted, right? So the window's highlighted, and hit F8. It'll set that, and then you can do what you need to do, like I'll buy another Hell Portal here. This game's really slowing down. I think it's the amount of stuff that's happening every second is just killing this game. And then you start your clicking, and although this game's not responding very well, it wouldn't be responding very well, I don't think, even if obviously it's not my clicker program causing this issue. Even if I use my finger to do it, you can see how laggy it is. It's about time to close it, I think. All right. Well, hope you enjoyed that. Hope you download it. Let me know if you do. Let me know if it works. Let me know if you want other features in it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like these things, and I'll keep making more. Goodbye.